Sawdust flying, air is thick and sweet, blocking out the phone, can't be beat. Rough edges falling, shape begins to show. Magnificent pheasant, watch it grow.
Oh, the pheasant taking flight from the timber, burning bright. Every gouge, every line, a story told, a masterpiece in wood, brave and bold.
Then the shims, a foolish, clumsy plan, trying to patch what only wood can mend. Huge mistake, a lesson learned today. Chop 'em out, let's carve a better way.
Oh, the pheasant taking flight from the timber, burning bright. Every gouge, every line, a story told, a masterpiece in wood, brave and bold.
Focus now, the details start to gleam. Feathers flowing like a vivid dream. Extraordinary vision coming true. This mighty bird